Hello folks, this is 2023 May June paper 1-2 and the question number is 34. The question is concerned with the chapter current electricity, and as you can see lamps here, diodes here, resources here, and so on. It says a student assembles the circuit shown like this. So we have diodes here, or two diodes in same direction. This is different direction, two lamps here. Which row describes the state of the two lamps? So which row describes the state of the two lamps? So the lamps will glow if a current flows through them, but they will not glow if current does not flow through them. So the main device here which acts as determining factor is the diode. So here a diode conducts. A diode conducts when its N side connects to the negative and P side to the positives. This is N side, this is P side, this is P side, this is N side, this is N side, this is P side. So if this is a diode, we will have this bar portion is N side, the other one is P side. So when N is with negative and P with positive, then the diode conducts. But if reverse, when N connects to the positive and P connects to the negative, diode does not conduct. So it does not conduct. So that means if you like this diode, P here, N here, P is towards the positive and N towards the negative. So current after coming here, they easily flow through this. So current flows here. So that's why this lamp will glow. This lamp 1 will be on. So on means we have got off. This disqualifies, this and this, they to qualify. Then here we have a network of diodes which are facing in different directions. So here we have got, this is P here. P is facing towards the positive, so it conducts, and N is facing towards the negative, so it conducts. So that's why what happens here is current will flow like this, like this, like this, and like this, and like this. So current flows through this. That means the current flows through the lamp. So lamp 2 should glow. Lamp 2 should glow. Let us look here. So here this N is towards the positive. N is towards the positive, and P towards the negative. So this does not conduct. So it means now this thing is somewhat like this. This is cut off. This thing is absent here. So that's why current just flows through here. So anyway, the current will flow through this lamp 2, and that's why lamp 2 conducts. It will be on. So lamp 2 also should be on in this case. So we have this choice is wrong. This is the correct choice. So lamp 2 on, lamp 1 on. Correct choice.